Uniswap might drop 4.8% by June 7, according to Traders Union. First, let's take a closer look at today's market behavior. Uniswap has moved lower by 2.6% since yesterday and trades close to $2.417. Now, let's hear today's analyst opinions. Coin price forecast forecasts a move to $2.44 by tomorrow. That's roughly 1% from the current price. Coin data flow anticipates Uniswap could touch $2.43, marking a rise close to 0.5%. CoinLore highlights a scenario where it could move up to $2.42, a rise estimated at 0.1%. A separate estimate from Traders Union suggests Uniswap could reach $2.302 on the downside, an estimated loss of 4.8%. And lastly, 30 rates sees the price hitting $2.285 by tomorrow, 5.4% down. This is the most profitable forecast among those we reviewed. The 5 calls are covered. Let's move along. Now let's break down what the forecasts imply for tomorrow. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a drop of 5.4% and an increase of 1%, depending on the analyst. So it turns out, 30 rates offers the highest projected return with 5.4% gain in value by June 7. It's clear you could earn between $1 and $54 for every $1,000 you invest. When we look at the odds, CoinLore takes the top with a 95.3% chance of success. Taking every forecast into account, I've built one shared consensus scenario. The outlook from combined forecasts points to Uniswap trading near $2.375. Here's the detailed picture. The consensus picture places the price 1.7% below current levels. In parallel, your capital might also move higher by 1.7%. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $17 in gain. And the probability of this consensus forecast being realized is about 90%. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. Coin price forecast projects the price advancing over the 3 days. Coin data flow points to no clear direction forming. CoinLore expects Uniswap to head lower. Also, Traders Union points to further downside potential. Meanwhile, 30 rates suggest bearish momentum will dominate. All forecasts merged together show a bearish scenario, with Uniswap moving downward. Overall, 80% of analysts highlight a downward trend for Uniswap. 5 forecasts were made 2 days back. Now we see which ones matched reality. In the end, the final close was $2.461. Just one forecast managed to align with how the market actually moved. If accuracy is the measure, then coin data flow came out on top. Let's take it apart. Out of all 5, just one forecast was within the range. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but Traders Union achieved the strongest gain at 9.4%. Here's the daily results overview, a quick visual of all forecast accuracy. As seen in today's data, coin data flow delivered 2.8% ROI and accuracy. Look closely. Who do you think gave the strongest forecast? Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Uniswap and a few selected assets. Uniswap holds 4th position as Bitcoin Cash stays ahead with 7.1%. At the moment, you can see just 5 coins, and a more detailed return comparison is already published on my website. That's all for now. Subscribe to keep the chain going and see the full picture. See you next time.